Hello, in this video we are going to start with the basic about the game. We already installed GameMaker. We are going to select a player, a wall, and a gold sprite for the basic game from this folder. So I click in the folder to open the resources, and I have to pick a player, a wall, and a goal. See, I have a player. It could be a boy, a dolphin, or a girl. I'm going to go for the dolphin. For the wall, I have brick, lava, or stone. I'm going to go for maybe lava, or maybe better brick. And for the goal, it will be about electric energy, wind, leaves, or plants. I'm going to select the leaves. I'm going to the download folders, and I'm going to move my sprites to a folder I created, so I know where they are. Then I'm going to continue. The next step is to complete the initial elements. So I'm going to open GameMaker. GameMaker. I search for the application. After I open GameMaker, I close here, I hide this, and I window close all. First, I'm going to start with the sprites. I go to Resources, Create a Sprite. I write SPR Player. I load the sprite for the player. I go to the folder I just created. This is my player. And click on OK. I do the same for the others. Create a sprite, SPR wall. I load the sprite for the wall, which is brick. OK. So I have finished with all the sprites. Then I'm going to continue with the objects. Sprites are the images. Objects are the programmable things in my game. I have an object for each of the sprites. Player. I put the name and I search for the appropriate sprite and then OK. Resources. Create object. OBJ. Wall with the appropriate sprite. OK. Resources. Create object. OBJ. Goal. OK. Sprites are only the images. The objects are ready to be programmed and to be the game. Now I'm going to create my first room. Create room. Yes. And I'm going to put the information for the room. In the name, first room. The caption for the room could be the same. The width is 960 pixels and the height is 768 pixels. Here in caption for the room you write 64 by 64. Then you go to objects and start with the fun thing. You start designing. You click in the object and start designing the first room for your game. You first surround the whole room. You put the player in a place. You put the goal. And the idea is to create a level where the player will have to find its way to the goal. This is how we start. I have just finished. The idea in this game is for the character to reach the goal. In the next video, we are going to learn how to program the character movements. Don't forget to File, Save As in the same folder I just created. I'm going to select, I'm going to save it. With my name. That's all.